Okay, this video is going to show you how to check for misfires on an Audi using the Rosstech Vagcom diagnostic software. This is being done on a 97 A8Q with a 4.2. The first thing you want to do is connect your OBD2 cable up to the port. I've already done that. Going to open up the Vagcom software. You want to choose select control module up here on the left. And then we're going to go to engine and turn your ignition on. Give it a little bit to talk to the car. Should start popping up with your engine data. If you want to check for fault codes at this point, go over to fault codes. We'll scan your car quick. These are all the engine codes, a bunch of misfires here. Just going to clear them. Then click go back. That will delete the code from the memory. It will not fix what's wrong with it, so the code will pop up unless you have corrected whatever's wrong with it. Okay, on to measuring blocks is what we want to check for misfires. And then you get 3 channel choices here. Top one is kind of hard to see. For the 4.2, channel 19 is the cylinders 1 through 4, and 20 is cylinders 5 through 8. So we're going to enter 19 in one and 20 in another. And these boxes right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, that's cylinders 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, then we can go ahead and start the ignition. And as long as the number stays 0, we're all good. But as you can see right here on cylinder 3, that's the number of misfires. And it looks like all the other cylinders are good, except for one on cylinder 1. And if you want to enter channel 2 in the last one, you can see the RPMs, the mass airflow voltage, and the ignition timing.